An apple a day keeps the doctor away. You've heard that your entire life. But what if the fruit sitting right next to the apples in your grocery store has a stronger claim to your gut health, and almost nobody is talking about it? It has more prebiotic compounds than most probiotic supplements on the market. And yet, it's one of the most overlooked foods in gut health. The wonder fruit is nothing but a pear. Today we're looking at 4 specific ways the humble pear works for your digestive system. From a rarely discussed fiber compound that actively feeds your gut bacteria, to a natural ingredient that gently keeps things moving, without any harsh side effects. And we'll finish with a pro tip that makes the pear even more powerful when you combine it with the right foods. Number 1. Pectin, the prebiotic powerhouse. Pears are one of the richest sources of pectin you'll find in a whole food. Pectin is a type of soluble fiber, and what makes it special is what happens once it reaches your gut. It doesn't just pass through, it ferments. And when it ferments, it becomes food for your beneficial gut bacteria, specifically strains like bifidobacterium and lactobacillus, the bacteria that scientists consistently link to better digestion, reduced bloating, and a stronger gut lining. Think of pectin as slow-burn fuel for the ecosystem inside your gut. Most of us are focused on adding more probiotics, but feeding the bacteria you already have? That's the prebiotic advantage. And pears deliver it in abundance. Number 2. Sorbitol, nature's gentle digestive aid. This one surprises most people. Pears contain a natural sugar alcohol called sorbitol, and sorbitol has a very specific effect on your digestive system. It draws water into the colon, gently softening its contents and encouraging regular movement. In plain terms, it helps keep things moving, naturally, without harsh stimulants, without side effects. This is one of the reasons ripe pears have long been recommended for digestive regularity. One important note here. If you experience IBS or are sensitive to high FODMAP foods, stick to ripe pears and moderate your portion. As the pear ripens, its sorbitol becomes easier to digest. Underripe pears can cause discomfort in sensitive individuals, so let them ripen fully before eating. Number 3. Polyphenols and the microbiome. Pears are rich in specific plant compounds called polyphenols, particularly chlorogenic acid and quercetin. You may have heard of quercetin in the context of anti-inflammation, but what's less commonly known is what these compounds do once they reach your gut. Research suggests that polyphenols from pears selectively feed beneficial bacteria while suppressing the growth of harmful strains. They act almost like a filter, creating an environment where the right microbes can thrive. And there's something else. These polyphenols help reduce low-grade inflammation in the gut lining, the kind of quiet, chronic inflammation that interferes with nutrient absorption and digestive function over time. For your long-term gut health, this is significant. Number 4. The skin factor. And this is the one most people get wrong. When you peel a pear, you lose approximately a third of its total fiber content and the majority of its polyphenol compounds. The skin is where most of the nutritional power actually lives. Yet many people peel pears out of habit or because of texture. If you're eating pears for your gut health, that habit is quietly working against you. The fix couldn't be simpler. Wash it well and eat it with the skin on. One small change, genuinely meaningful difference. Pro tip: don't eat your pear alone. If you want to take everything we've covered to the next level, pair your pear with a fermented food. Yogurt, kefir, or even a small serving of fermented vegetables work beautifully here. Here's the logic. The pectin and polyphenols in the pear are prebiotics. They nourish your gut bacteria. The fermented food delivers live beneficial bacteria directly. Together, you're both populating your gut and fueling what's already there. The pear feeds the bacteria. The kefir delivers them. Together, they're more powerful than either one alone. If you found this useful, subscribe for more evidence-based content on gut health and the microbiome.